Hello from Puerto Princesa City. I'm John Gastanes and welcome to Farm Connect.
Mga magsasaka! Tara sa Farm Connect!
Ang Farm Connect po ay isang agri-tech farmer accelerator platform kung saan ginagamit po yung system namin ng mga farmers with less than 1 hectarage kung saan kina-cluster po natin sila at kapag ginagamit po nila yung ating system na ma-map out po sila. And then at the same time, lahat po ng interventions for capacity building, at the same time, iba't ibang interventions to give them post-harvest support ay dinadaan sa system. And from there, nakikita po natin yung kanilang date of harvest kung saan napi-pre-match po natin sa mga buyers for lock-in supply para yung mga farmer kapag nagtatanim, may sure buyer na po ng kanilang mga supply. Yung mga farmers na gumagamit ng system natin, we're not helping them in terms of marketing lang. What we do is we really map them out. And from there, we understand yung mga gaps nila. And once we understand it, we create designs and proposals for partners to really, link them to opportunities, also to capacitate them. Para hindi lang sila nandun sa stage na parang mag-isang farmer lang sila. They can work with the granular level ng iba't ibang cluster within a co-op or association. And that allows us to improve the capacity of their collective bargaining, yung supply nila. At the same time, nagkakaroon po sila ng opportunity to be really map out for different services and lock in supplies ng different mga industrial players or consolidators or aggregators. In terms of number of farmers here in Puerto Princesa and the whole Palawan, we have 1,000 farmers who are engaged already in the system. A lot of them are also grantees of the Department of Agriculture or even with the development partners like USAID. Then they use our system right now not only in terms of monitoring of their inventory, but really understanding yung mga gaps ng different smallholder farmers na naka-cluster, and then pre-match na rin namin sila sa mga industrial players in need of demand. So yeah, around 1,000 farmers here only in Palawan, and we're excited to expand all over the Philippines very, very soon. Actually, ang Farm Connect po, nag-start po ito, it started with a mere benevolent or sabi na natin na desire ko po to really help a lot of people na nasa poverty threshold. Ako po ay isang waiter dati sa Amerika. Tapos, when I was there, nakaramdaman ko po yung pag-uwi ko kasi dito, may mga nakita ako na parang opportunity, not for business, but to help people. But during that time, I feel like, I still lack a lot of experience. That's why I tried my best to study different ways para maintindihan yung pagtulong, the science of development. And masaya naman po ako na with that experience, it helped me to pivot our company first to serve the waste management people, yung mga nangangalakal. Then when I was engaging with the people na nasa pangangalakal, I found that a lot of them also and a lot of their relatives are into agriculture sector. Kumbaga, hindi naman kasi lahat ng oras kumikita ka sa basura or yung iba nilang kamag-anak, they cannot do waste collection. So, nung nakita ko po yun, I talked to the City Agriculture Office of Puerto Princesa and they asked them for collaborative opportunities. And one of the things that they told me is really helping marketing of marketing services. So we started with marketing services. But as we did marketing services, nakita ko na ang laki pa rin ng gap dun sa production capacity. Kasi for example, may mga orders na wala namang supply minsan na continuously na isusupply, or talagang yung mga farmers, hindi pa sila familiar dun sa business setup to really make them entrepreneurs, which is the goal of the accelerator, di ba? So, nung nakita ko po yun, what I did, I pitched in the Department of Science and Technology for the technology at ginawa ko po siyang capstone project ko in one of my studies. And yung po lang yung tinutukan ko, paano po natin yung maliliit na magsasaka, na maliliit ang lupa, magtulong-tulungan sila para makita sila ng either government services at the same time iba't ibang development partners at makita sila ng malalaking companies para yung supply nila nalalock in na, and then you can plan the production na hindi sasabay-sabay. You can, it's like a precision ng habol ko. Kumbaga sa relo, mini-make sure natin parang orasan yung production. Ito nakaschedule dito, ito nakaschedule dito. Para hindi sila naaapektuhan ng drama ng supply and demand, di ba? So, that was the whole idea. And then from there, we started it and we're so happy nakapag-pivot kami. Google Forms lang po, Facebook ang ginamit namin dati. But now, with the help of the Department of Agriculture, they boosted our services. So, nag-accelerate yun. And then from mere our trading lang, naglaki na, nagkaroon na kami ng another business on the software development and we focus on the software system. And now, so from trading, software that take care of the farmer, now to market linkages to big industrial players po, na nakita nyo ngayon yung Farm Connect. So our product is very simple. We have a Farmer Leader app, and then a Technician app, and the fulfillment center management software. At the same time, meron kaming B2B system na ila-launch namin next year. So, apat ito sa product na seems parang complicated, pero very simple lang po yan. Yung una, yung Farmer Leader app. Ito po yung ginagamit ng mga cluster leaders para i-monitor nila yung tanim ng kanilang mga kagrupo at malaman kung kailan po ipipick up ang kanilang supply. And lahat ng transactions, even the cost and the payment are done through the system. Second po, yung Technician app. Ito naman po yung system namin kung saan lahat ng government agencies and partners namin can monitor the farmers through that app. Na lahat ng information pumapasok po dun sa aming system ng CRM namin. Then yung CRM po namin na yun, yung po yung napupunta doon sa mga nagtatanong ano po yung CRM, ito po yung parang software na nagko-convene ng information for inventory. And then yung po ang ginagamit ng aming mga trading centers. So, ito po yung system na kung saan magli-link ngayon sa B2B side para makita ng mga buyers yung available inventory ng mga smallholder farmers na naka-cluster. Ito pong system na ito po yung ina-adapt ng mga cooperatives and associations. Ang vision po namin is to be the most adhered agri-tech company that produces impact farmers who are willing to eradicate poverty one community at a time. And our mission is to really discover, equip, at the same time present impact farmers na willing pong tumulong sa atin para maiangat yung issues natin pagdating sa lack of food supply, which is the food security issue. So these are the things that we want to achieve through Farm Connect. Connectivity is now easier. For example, may mga relatives tayo we want to connect na nasa abroad. Di ba dati ang hirap makontak sila? And yung connectivity, because there's so much gaps on it, parang hindi natin minsan maramdaman yung connection with our close and loved ones. I feel that the same system should also work in addressing poverty. Because minsan ang layo-layo ng poverty gap ng mayaman sa mahirap, na feeling ko hindi na-access ng maayos. We know the social issues, but what are the system that will edify the current condition and edify the solution? So na-realize ko kung ang technology nga na gamit to connect people to their loved ones, why not the poor connect them to opportunities so it can be an inclusive business model? And that has been my agenda when I ginawa ko tong negosyong ito. Our goal is really to address the global food security. 80% of the nagpapakain po sa buong mundo ay mga farmers with less than 2 hectares or 1 hectare. And for me, this is the market that we want to serve. Alam ko maraming gaps sa food security, but I want to focus on the number of smallholder farmers capacitated. I'm just worried on the next coming of years if we will have young farmers to really plant. And mapalad tayo na sa syudad kasi we don't have to think of the foods that we eat. But in reality, someone has to plan out programs and projects with them. And my goal is to be the global accelerator platform for smallholder farmers so people get encouraged to plant, whether they're white-collar job or they're in the rural, like what we're seeing now in the movement. Even in some of the rural areas, teachers are going back to their places just to plant on using the system kasi may profitability for them and may capacity building system. So, I want to see this happen in the global stage para yung mga other countries na mataas ang poverty, matulungan din po natin maangat yung buhay ng mga maliliit na magsasaka doon po. Hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, which I want to champion so that we can be a showcase of empowered impact farmers po. Well, ako, the first thing that ang payo ko na gustong ibigay sa mga nanonood nito is una, courage. Kasi alam nyo, marami sa atin we are limited because takot tayo. And I think the greatest opportunities out there, ang na-unlock mo lang yun if you have the courage. Kasi the fear of failure is real. And trust me, I failed many times. And you would hear it a lot of mga founders din, yung takot sila magkamali. Pero alam nyo po, yung failure na na-process ng maayos, learning na hindi mo na siya uulitin, is a good, foundation to make the structure stronger. Anong ibig sabihin ko? Na kahit daanan ka ng challenges, because pinagdaanan mo siya at natuto ka na, you can move forward from that. So I think a lot of people are scared to go into digital or limited kasi wala namang signal. To give you a context, may farmer community dati wala namang signal. Sinabi wala yan, hindi mag-work. Ngayon may tower na ng smart and yun yung pinaka-fastest growing namin na community. Kasi ang dami palang bata doon na farmer na gusto nilang gumamit na kasi nadidigitalize yung kanilang farming, yung pag-program ng kanilang pagtatanim. So sabi ko, see, they just took the courage to believe. And I think that's the greatest lesson that I want to share to the viewers here. Have the courage to believe. Because right now, marami ng takot eh. And I've always believed in this saying that there are two ways to spread the light. Either be the mirror that reflects the light or be the candle that shows the light. And figure it out who said it. But ang whole point ko lang is, we can either be just, hide or really show out there and inspire people to believe in the vision. Sana po ay na-inspire kayo sa aming kwentong AgriBiz. And we are Farm Connect! Thank you!
Bye-bye!